Hi guys, I think I'm going to do all four of these problems where I asked you to evaluate. And so the original problem, I shouldn't even need this equals A. You guys are smarter than that about logs now since you've had a couple lessons on it. I said I want you to start thinking in the terms of logs, but this was before that. And so first I would take this log and I would change it into exponential form. Okay, and so to what does logs equal? They equal exponents. So what do you think that A is? That's an exponent. What's the base? The base is 2. So 2 to the A equals 16. Now we're going to go ahead and find common bases. We have 2 to the A. The common base would be 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 to the 4. So A equals 4. Okay, now I want you to just think in your head, what do I need to raise 2 by? I need to raise 2 by some kind of exponent to equal 16. Well, you guys have done enough exponents now, or to understand that you need to raise it to the 4th power to equal 16. If you do not need to go through this whole process, then good for you. I mean, you're just smart like that. Okay, now next one, number 6. Okay, log base 4 to the 2 equals A. Let's go ahead and evaluate this. Once again, I can change it into exponential form. With exponents, we start out with the base. What's the base? 4. 4. Now, what does a log equation equal? The exponent. So A is the exponent, equals 2. That's where I get the 2 from. So I need to find the common base, which is 2. So 2 to the 2A equals 2. To the what? 1. There you go. And so I can go ahead and take that 2A equals 1. And so A equals 1/2. Right? Let's go ahead and do that in our head. Okay, so what do we need to raise the 4 to? What do we need to raise the 4 by to get 2? Square root of 4 is 2. So if we raise it to the square root, what's the square root? 1/2. Remember? So 4 to the 1/2 equals 2. Or the square root of 4 equals 2. So that's where I get A equals 1/2. Okay? Good job. Now, I'm going to change the color. Because it's boring. I just do it in one color. Let's do number 7. Number 7 says log base 1/2 of 1/2 equals A. I think I've explained it in 7.3 to all of the classes. Now this is very easy. Now if I change it into exponential form, we start with the base, so 1/2 to the A equals 1/2. So A equals what? 1, because this is to the 1, right? Now anything with the base and this number the same, anything is going to be 1. Because if you think in your head, what do I need to raise 1/2 by to get 1/2? If I do raise 1/2 by 0, I get 1. So that's not the right answer. So if I raise 1/2 by 0, I get 1. So that's not right. How about 1/2 to the 1? It's going to equal itself. Every time you see this number right here, let me change the color, the base equaling the number, then the answer is always 1, guys. So log base, I don't know, let me think of a really ugly number. 729. It's not really ugly. Of 729 is 1. Okay? Now, next one. do the next one. Number 8. Number 8 is log base 49 of 7 equals a. Now once again, I can change that into exponential form. Exponential form, we start with a 49, okay? Raise it to the a equals 7, which means what? 7 to the 2a equals 7 to the 1. So 2a equals 1, a equals 1/2. Once again, we're going to think, what power do I raise that 49 to get 7? What power do I raise that 49 to get 7? I need to square root it. Square rooting is the same thing as taking it to the 1/2. So that's my final answer. Yay! Good job. We did 4 problems. And they were all pretty easy, guys. You guys are ace this quiz. Good job.